Only 10 minutes. Okay. Shall we start, ma? Right. For chapter number 5, what is that? Arithmetic progression. That is means AP. AP we are going to see what it is. Listen carefully. No need to write anything. Just you listen. Later I will tell you what all you want to write. Right. Before you enter the AP, first what is sequence you need to learn. So progression in the sense it means sequence only. P in the sense what? Progression. Progression in the sense what it means? Sequence its mean. Sequence only its mean. Then what is the sequence? What is the sequence means what? Sir? Sequence in the sense the numbers arranged in some specific order, either in descending or in ascending. Something. Okay, a numbers arranged in some specific order, that is called a sequence. Understand? Right. Now, ma, tell me some number, Araja. One number. 6, 9, and you? 3, you pa? 4, by side. 11, 5, 0, 1, 5, 7, right. Now, this number I am going to arrange either in ascending or in descending. Okay. Now, so first smallest number what, Raja? 3, next number 4, next number 6, next number 7, next number 9, 11, 15. It's a finite sequence. Finite in the sense there is a last number in the sequence. That is called a finite sequence. Sequence we can divide into two. What it mean? Finite and infinite. That means there is a two thing. Here we are going to study about finite. Infinite we don't have. You don't worry. In 11th you can study about infinite. So in 10th standard we have as a syllabus what, Raja? Only finite set. Sorry, finite sequence. That means there is a countable number. Means there is a last number. That is the meaning. Okay. So sequence in the sense numbers arranged in with some specific order is called a sequence. Sequence only is called a what it is? What it is? Progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression in the sense what it mean. Arithmetic progression in the sense what it mean. Yeah, mathematical only. With some specific condition it will be going. With some specific condition. One number if I choose. Number 9 I am choosing. This is my first number. First number I am choosing. And choose one number you. Smallest number. Something. 1. 1. Something. Not 1. 2. 2 if you choose. Then add 2 or subtract 2. I am going with it 2 sequence now. In the first sequence I am adding. In the second sequence I am subtracting. I am adding 2 in first. I am subtracting 2 in second. You understand? Right. Add 2 here. Add 2 next. 13. Next. 15. Next. 17. It will be going on. Am I right? This is one of the sequence. Here there is some specific condition. What condition? First term is 9. Second term is each increased by 2. Then second term. Generally we can say the difference. D in the sense what it mean? Difference. D in the sense what it mean? Difference. Okay. So difference is what in the sense? Different between second number and previous number. What it is? 2. The same thing if I get 2, same thing if I get 2, this is called a common difference. Do you understand? Common difference is in for each term, commonly we have a difference 2. Second term minus first term. Third term minus previous term is what? Second term. If I choose 10th term, the previous term is what? Then 10th term minus 9th term. So D we can write that second term minus first term or third term minus second term or it's going on. If I choose 10th term, what is the previous term? 9. Like that we have to go for finding the difference. Commonly we are getting difference 2 no. So that this name is not only difference, common difference. What it is? Common difference. First term is what here? A. What is the first term? A is the first term. D is the common difference. What my dear? Common difference. Do you understand? Right. Now here there is a specific condition. What is going on? D equal to in generally an if I say what is the previous term of an? An minus 1. Am I right? So that in generally we can say common difference an minus 1. Understand? Right. If you want a next term, if I want a an, what you will be getting? along with the common difference, we have to add the previous term. Then you will be getting next term. That is we are doing here. Along with the previous term, I'm adding 2, then I'm getting next number. That is what an equal to d plus an minus 1. Do you understand? If I need 13, what I want to do? Along with the previous term, I want add common difference. What is common difference? 2. When I add, what I'm getting? 13. Like that. Do you understand? Now in the subtraction. Subtraction I'm going. Subtract minus 2. What I'm getting? 7. Subtract minus 2 again. Subtract again. 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 Minus. Again. So it's going on. It's going on. Here also, what is the common difference? 2 or minus 2? Think about it. 2 or minus 2? Minus 2, we'll check it. D equal to, what is the formula? Here I told you, no. Here I told you, what is the formula? If you choose second term, minus previous term. So if I'm choosing A2, minus what is the previous term? A1. Then A2 value, this is my A1, A2, A3, it's going on. A2 value 7, minus 9, equal to what I'm getting? Because what I'm doing, subtracting, that is what I'm getting, D value minus 2. Do you understand? So, with some specific condition, the sequence is moving on in the sense, that is called the arithmetic sequence. Here, with the specific condition, adding or subtracting. These two, adding or subtracting. Understand? Multiplication don't come here. Multiplication in the sense, it will come something else. Another sequence is there, that is geometric sequence, you will be studying in 11th standard. Multiplication, division, it never come here. Here only addition and subtraction. Do you understand, children? Right. Now we are going the next. Right. Sequence, I said, what are the sequence? Finite sequence, infinite sequence. So we have a finite sequence, I told you. So general form of the sequence, first let's learn. Okay. General form. So general form of the sequence. First term always what I said? A. Common difference what I said? D. If I want second term, what I want to do? With the previous term, we have to add common difference. Then what I will be getting here? A plus D. Am I right? With the previous term. Previous term is what? A. Along with the A, I am adding what here? Common difference D. So I am getting second term. If I want a third term, very good. A plus 2D. If I want next term, A plus 3D. It's going on till this some general form. General form is what? A plus, what it will come? Here. ND. Suppose if you are telling ND, what happened? Let's see. Here how many D? 0D. Here how many D? 1D. So if I start to count from here, how many term we have? 4 term. I'm not taking 4 term. See, 4 term is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what I have here? 3. When I have 3, what I'm getting? 4 term. When I have 2 here, what I'm getting? 3 term. When I have 1, how many term I'm getting? When I have 0, how many term I'm getting? 1 term. Then when I have n, how many term I will be getting? N? No. 3 means 4, 2 means 3, 1 means 2. Then what you will get? N plus 1 terms I will be getting. But I am talking about round up value about n terms. What I am going to talk about here? N terms I am going to take. Okay. In the finite sequence, how many terms I am going to take? N terms. If I want n terms, what is the final answer should be? You people guess it now. I need n terms only. If I need n terms, what I want to do? Very good. A plus n minus 1D I should take. Then only I will be getting n number of terms. Then the sequence contain how many terms? N number of terms. Do you understand what I am telling? So, this is what then? A1. This is what then? A2. This is what then? A3. This is what then? A4. Then what about this? AN. Why? Because when we have here 0D, we are getting 1. 1D, 2. 2D, we are getting 3. Then we are getting 3D, I am getting what here? 4. That means when we have a 3, 4. When we have 2, 3. Then we have n minus 1, what I will be getting? AN. Do you understand? Like that. So there are n terms we have in the general form. Do you understand? Right. Now general term I'm going. What is general term? Term in the sense A1, A2, A3. First term, second term, third term. Then what is general term? AN. What it is? AN. In the AN, what I gave in the last term is the AN. See, AN we can say as the last term. Am I right? AN we can say as a last term. Last term. AN we can say as a last term. A1 we are telling as first term. Am I right, children? Am I right or wrong? Then what is AN? Can you tell me by looking that last term? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for general term. Then AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the formula? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Based on this formula, we have 5.1 exercise that we are going to see. Okay, right. Here, what all things we know here? A in the sense what I know. A in the sense what I know. A in the sense what I know. First term. What I know? First term. D in the sense what I know. Common difference. What, my dear? Common difference. Common difference. Common difference which is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2 in general form AN minus 1. Do you understand? D equal to any one you remember. D equal to A2 minus A1. Enough. Okay. Right. What about N? Number of terms. What about N? Number of terms. How many terms we have? N terms. What, my dear? N term. Do you understand? If you are using this formula, you will be getting the previous page. Let me show. Listen now. I am taking now. This is what term? Third term. Am I right? What is A there? In this sequence, what is A? 9. What is D? I have done here already. Minus 2. Say clearly. What? I have a formula, general term formula. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Am I right? Suppose if I want to find third term, let me see what I am getting. A3 equal to A value 9, n value 3 minus 1, D value what? Minus 2. I should get same answer. Let me check. Shall we? Right. Check here. 9 plus 3 minus 1. What 2? Plus 2. Plus 2 into minus 2? Minus 4. Then subtract 9 minus 4 equal to 5 I am getting. See? 5 I got. If you are doing, this is what? A4, A5, A6, A7. If you want to find, you find A7, you will be getting minus 3. You check once again. 9 plus 7 minus 1 into D value what? Minus 2. 7 plus, 9 plus, what it is? 7 minus 1, 6. 6 into minus 2? Minus 12. 9 minus 12? Minus 3. See, I am getting minus 3. So, this is the formula we made now. What formula we made? General, AN, general term formula we made. What is general form? A, comma, here in the next page. What I have? A, comma. This you no need to say what it is like. You no need to say A plus 0D. You just say A, enough. What we can say? A plus, A comma, A plus D comma, A plus 2D comma, it's going on till A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the last term. That is when we take n number of terms, we are getting as the last term A plus n minus 1 into D. How you have to say? A plus n minus 1 into D. Do you understand? Right, that's it. Now, general term in the sense, general term we can call as the last term. That's what I mentioned here. General term we can call as the last term because from the last only we are taking the general term. So, AN equal to L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. From the formula, what is A, what is D, what is N I mentioned. Understand? Shall we enter in the exercise? Shall we go now? 1 minute only we have. Right. At least one sum. Shall we see? Right, fine. So, after the break, we will continue. Okay? Thank you.